இப்போ வருதான் பாரு. சீக்கிரம் make it fast. செக் பண்ணு. Good evening all. Good evening. Sorry for the delay. Some technical issues. Sorry for the delay. Good evening. Good evening all. Yes, I welcome you all to the PantecheLearning, and also I welcome you all 30 days masterclass for image processing by using OpenCV. And also I am so excited to conduct the 30 days masterclass. If you guys are excited means please comment me in comment box. Yes, Philip, I'm excited. Yes, Philip, I'm excited. Good evening all. Good evening. Sorry for the delay guys. Sorry for the delay. Some technical issues. Good evening Panti. And good evening Assam and Pooja and Jayakumar. All of you, good evening. Good evening. Yes. First of all, I welcome you all to the PantecheLearning, and also I welcome you all 30 days masterclass image processing by using OpenCV. And this is Philip from PantecheLearning. I'm so excited to conduct the 30 days masterclass. If you guys are excited, please comment me in comment box. Yes, I'm excited. Yes, most of the people answer excited. Excited. Yes, Ravi Kumar and Jyoti, Gayatri and Ravi Kumar. So most of the people answer. Thank you so much for your good response. Thank you so much for your good response. First of all, I have to share something about Pantech. So normally Pantech is specially supports for the students and also project supports in power electronics and also software domains. So first of all, we are manufacturing educational equipment. It is related to IoT, AI, robotics, autonomous robot and microprocessor, microcontroller. So this is completely related to the labs, DSP, VLSI, embedded system and power electronics drives and fuel cell training kits, renewable energy labs and electric vehicle lab. And finally, we are concentrating on the technical training. It is related to, we are sharing the knowledge to the students. Okay, it is going by maybe that internship or master classes in YouTube. Okay, right. So what is our vision? So that is very important, right? So we are going to help 10 million students to learn the technology in easy way. So that is why we are conducting and we are sharing the knowledge by internship and also YouTube live. Okay, right. So this particular program associate partner Andhra Pradesh State Skill Development Corporation. So we are associated with this particular Andhra Pradesh State Skill Development Corporation. And what you will learn from this 30 days masterclass. So that is very important, right? Everyone are, waiting for this particular, agenda for 30 days, right? So first of all, in this 30 days masterclass, what you will be learn, that is very important, right? Everyone are waiting for that, right? So first of all, we are going to discussing about the introduction in day 1. After that, we are going to cover all the concepts in OpenCV and also image processing, specifically detecting edges, morphological operation, contour detection, also thresholding and OCR techniques, multicolor detection and yeah, just a minute, yeah, upline concepts and also shift. So this kind of the concept we are going to discuss in 30 days. If you learn this particular concept, after that you will be built and develop the 7 awesome project in computer vision. Are you guys are excited? Yes, I hope you guys are excited. Yes. So the 7 awesome project at the end of the 30 days masterclass we will be discussing and we will be built and develop the 7 awesome project related computer vision. Okay, right. So next, the introduction to the computer vision and also its application. Okay, right. So I have asked some question to you. Okay, right. So first question, do you have any idea about the computer vision? If you know means please reply me in comment box. Do you have any idea about the computer vision, guys? Do you have any idea about the computer vision? If you guys know means please reply me in comment box. I'm so excited to read the particular comments from you guys. Yes, good evening, good evening. So most of the people commenting. Thank you so much for your good response. So most of the people answered no, some of the people answered yes. So guys, if you know about the computer vision in the sense, please share it in the comment box. Yes, most of the people answered no, and some of the people answered yes. Yes guys. So here I am going to discussing about the computer vision in 30 days. No worries, I will be help you. So what are all the concepts we have and how to develop the project by using the OpenCV. So it is not much big a deal, but it is a smallest deal. We will be sharing and we will be discussing about computer vision in 30 days. Okay, right. First of all, so today's agendas in generally. So one thing I have to say in generally, what, why, and how. This kind of a question is very important to know something about some of the things, right? For example, if you know about one thing in the sense, particularly one thing in the sense, one concept in the sense, this kind of the question is more important. Majorly you are asking about this kind of a question, what, why, how. So that is why I framed today's classes like what is computer vision, why computer vision, and how does it works. So this kind of the question is very necessary. If you're asking this kind of the question in one particular topic, you will be learn more about this, right? So today we are following this kind of agenda, introduction, and what is computer vision, why computer vision, and how does it works. That is very important, right? And also remaining topic is related to applications of computer vision and also installation for OpenCV package. Right? Okay guys. So now the introduction is very important. Normally the computer vision is one of the technology in artificial intelligence. Why we are saying like that in the sense, it is a subset of artificial intelligence. So what is artificial intelligence? Maybe you are asking this kind of the question to me. So what is artificial intelligence in the sense? Just think. Philip, my name is Philip, right? I recognize something in front of me. Maybe that in front of me, one of the camera is there, laptop is there, and mic is there. Okay, I can recognize, that is possible. If the computer can recognize this is laptop and this is mic and this is camera, it can be possible in the sense that is nothing but artificial intelligence. You are going to understand the visual world. That is computer vision. So that is why I mentioned here. So the computer vision is a field of artificial intelligence. The machine will make and the machine will understand from the meaningful information. It will be transferred to the meaningful information, and it will be taking the action with the help of the observation and understanding. So that is very important, right? So in artificial intelligence, it will be having the more techniques. For example, machine learning, robotics, computer vision, deep learning, NLP, and neural network. What is machine learning exactly in this sense? That already we knew, right? So you are going to teach the computer with the help of the machine learning technique. What about the robotics? With the help of the computer vision, with the help of the deep learning, some of the techniques combined to work with robotics. So that is robotics. What is computer vision? The computer vision will help to understanding the visual world. That is very important, right? So if you are working with some of the artificial intelligence technology in the sense, you need this kind of the techniques. So that is means maybe that machine learning, maybe that deep learning, or maybe that neural network, NLP. So NLP in the sense, it will be related to the speech recognition. That particular technique will help to understanding the human words. For example, I'm talking something about the artificial intelligence. If you are seeing the video, in YouTube in the sense, some of the subtitle will be there, right? So that is the speech recognition. That means the computer will receiving my voices, after that it will be converting to the text. That is NLP. So behind the process, some of the techniques will be there. So we are going to work with back-end process with the help of computer vision. So you are going to learn about the artificial intelligence in the sense this kind of the technology is very needed. Maybe that machine learning, maybe that deep learning, maybe that computer vision. So if you are going to learn computer vision in the sense, we need deep learning. Deep learning is the biggest process, but we have to learn something about this particular 30 days, if possible. Okay, right. So this is artificial intelligence. Now we are going to enter in the computer science. Okay, so computer science in the sense it will be cover all the things, right? Maybe that it is related to the languages and some of the techniques related to the machine learning and also symbolic learning. Machine learning means what? We are going to train the computer because for what in the sense I can understand the visual world, because human can understand the visual worlds, right? So what about the computer? The computer doesn't understand without training. So that is why we are splitting like that. It is all around related to the computer science. So that is why I mentioned here. So machine learning is classified into the two types. So it is related to the statistical learning and also deep learning. So deep learning in the sense the machine will going to learn and getting the information from the user, it will be making the decision without help anything. So that is deep learning. So without deep learning, without machine learning, we are not going to work with computer vision. So that is help to creating the model. What is the modeling concept? The computer should understand something from the visual world, right? So that is deep learning is needed and also machine learning is needed. When you are going to enter in the deep learning in the sense, neural network is very important, because of deep learning is work with the neural networks, right? So that is why the computer vision work with the help of the deep learning, and it will be help to finding the object detection, face recognition. This kind of the process is very basic things for computer vision. This is the basement. This is the basement. We will be discussing in future slides. Okay, right. So next, why we learn computer vision? Guys, why we learn computer vision? Please reply me in comment box. Why we learn? If you have any idea, why we learn computer vision? In recent times, so that is very interesting, right? So in recent times, the computer vision considered cutting edge technology in India. Why? Because the computer vision is becoming an increasingly important than various industries. Maybe that safety, productivity and also accuracy. Consequently, in the field of computer vision, has more opportunity than ever before. So that is why we are preferring this, because of it having more opportunities. It is related to the core. If you want to work with the core domain in the sense, you should learn something about this. Okay, right. So in the field of artificial intelligence technology, it is, vast and fascinating technology in current situation. So that is why the computer vision adds more importance and great importance to the artificial intelligence. So that is why I mentioned here, without computer vision, there is no future to the artificial intelligence. That is why I mentioned. So why we learn computer vision in the sense, in future scenario, you should consider future scenario, the artificial intelligence will, will occupy more. So that is why I mentioned here. So if you want to work with the computer vision, if you want to work with artificial intelligence in the sense, you need to know about the computer vision. Because of it help to understanding the visual world. Okay, so without computer vision, there is no future to the artificial intelligence. So that is why you have to learn. if you want to working with that particular domain. Okay, right. According to the LinkedIn.com, so there are 250,000 opportunities for computer vision engineer or image processing engineer. According to the Indeed.com, the average salary for the computer vision is nearly 6 to 8 lakh per annum. In experience, you will be get more, nearly 30 lakh per annum. So that is why most of the students are entering that particular core domain. They are not from technical or not technical. So they wanted to work within a core domain. So that is why the computer vision makes an excellent career growth. Okay, so most of the people, if the working people want to switch their career, they wanted to enter in the computer vision in the sense, they want to, know about the computer vision and they want to work with the core domains. That is why they are choosing. Okay, right. So that is why I mentioned here. You have to learn something about this. Okay, guys. So next, I will go to discussion about what is computer vision. What is computer vision? So most of the people comment. Thanks for the good response, guys. Thank you. Okay, right. So now I'm going to discussing about what is computer vision. So computer vision, already we knew this. So computer vision is an artificial intelligence. So to train the computer for understanding the visual world, that is computer vision. Why we need to train the computer? That is very important, right? So here we are mentioning, and I mentioning here, to train the computer to understanding the visual world. Why? So that will be a question mark, right? For example, I can recognize the visual world. For example, in front of me, laptop is there, system is there, and one water bottle is there, and one mic is there. That I can understand. How it can be possible? Because of my past experience. I can recognize all the objects with the help of my eye. Right? So how it can be possible to the computer? You are going to make that possible means that is artificial intelligence. Now you got the answer. Are you guys got the answer? You got the answer, guys, for artificial intelligence meaning? If you got means, please command me in comment box. Yes, Philip. You can command me. So that is why you should to train the computer with the help of some of the algorithm. So that is why we are expecting the machine learning and also deep learning. So that is why I mentioned here, in digital images and deep learning models used to accurately identify and classify the object. How it can be possible, right? It can be possible with the help of the machine learning techniques and also deep learning techniques that will be supported to the computer vision. You can't understand the visual world, guys. You can't understand I can understand the visual world, but computer can't understand the visual world. So you have to train the computer to understand the visual world. How it can be possible means with the help of the deep learning and machine learning. Is that clear? No? Is that clear? Yeah. So deep learning is more important. I will give one example. I want to recognize one person, maybe that Dhoni or Virat Kohli. I can recognize, yes, it is Dhoni because of my past experience. I knew that person already because I had seen very well, many times in cricket. While I am watching cricket, I can recognize, yes, it is Dhoni. And also, what about Kohli? Kohli also, I can recognize. How it can be possible to the computer to understand this is Kohli and this is Dhoni? We have to train the computer with the help of the deep learning. How it can be possible means we have to feed the digital image for that particular person, Dhoni or Kohli. You have to train to the computer then only the computer will understand, yes, it is Tony because of deep learning. Without model creation, the computer can't do anything, can't recognize anything, can't recognize the person. That is why the particular technology like machine learning and deep learning will help to recognize the person. Is clear? So this is the best example that I would say. So most of the people like Dhoni, right? Most of the people like Dhoni. So that is why I chosen Dhoni. So who are fan for Dhoni? So please raise your hands in comment box. Yes, yes guys. Now I am going to discussing about the usage of the computer vision. So that is related to the automation and controlling and recognizing. So recognizing means I would say the example like that is related to the Dhoni and Virat Kohli, right? So that is why I mentioned here Dhoni and Virat Kohli. Who all are fan for the Dhoni? Please raise your hands in comment box. Yes, Harini, and most of the people answer. Super cool. Most of the people answer very good, and you guys are more interactive. Thank you so much. It will be help to encouraging more to me also. Yes. Who are the fans for Kohli? Who are the fans for Kohli? Please comment me in comment box. Raise your hands. Yes. Superb. Right. So now I am going to discussing about human vision and computer vision. I had discussing about the two different example with human vision and also computer vision. Now in this particular picture, it will help to recognizing the tomato, right? Tomato. I can understand that particular tomato because of I knew about that particular features, because in tomato it is red color and the size will be circle. Like this only I can understand because of the features. So human can understand because of the past experience. From childhood to till now I can recognize because of my past experience. So that is why I can go to solve the problem and I am going to making the decision for this particular problems, right? So in computer vision and human vision, so it's a similar thing will be happen. What is that? So consider human eye, it is related to the camera for the mission, and consider human brain, it is computer. So that is the difference, right? Should consider this is my eye, so this is my eye. I can recognize and I can see and I can understand the visual world with the help of my eye. In the same way, the computer also can understand the visual world with the help of the capturing devices. And it will be sending some useful information to the brain. So that is for me. What about the computer? So some of the useful information, some of the signal will send to the computer. That computer will analyzing the data. After that, giving the some of the output. So related to like, see this, I can recognize. So that is why I can recognize 100% it is tomato. What about the computer? The computer can understand. Without training, it can't be possible. Without training, it can't be possible. So that is why the computer vision working and processing on the digital images and digital videos. If you are going to train the computer with the help of the digital images or digital videos, in the sense, we have to processing on that particular image. Right? Without processing, without training, you can't do anything in artificial intelligence. Okay? So the computer will capturing, the camera will capturing, so that is called the sensing devices, and sending some useful information to the computer. That computer will analyzing something because of the data, because the computer will trained already because of that particular digital images, right? So then it will be giving 84% of tomato and 15% of apple. Why? Because we trained already with the help of the apple and tomato in the sense. Some of the similar specification will be there, right? Because of color and size, maybe that not size will be the shape. Okay, so that is why the computer will giving the percentage like this. So this is the differentiation between the human vision and also computer vision. Hope you guys are understand. If you guys are understand me, please raise your hands in comment box. Yes, most of the people answer. Yeah, thank you so much for your good response, guys. Now, how does it works? So that is very important, right? So the computer vision, how it will be working. So without knowing about the working means you can't do anything in computer vision, right? So see this picture. Here we having the two different part. First one is eye, second one is brain. Without this you can't do anything. So that is a human vision. Okay, the human vision means this is nothing but sensible device. Okay, sensing device. This sensing device is responsible for capturing the image for the environmental, capturing the views and environmental. Okay, then it will be sending some information to the brain signals. Okay, then it will be founding. What is that? So here is the bow, orange, apple and features will be there, right? So in the same way the computer will work like that. So this is the input image. So we are going to processing on that particular image. That means the sensing devices receiving the information from the visual world for visual world. After that it will be moved to the computer. So that is the interpreted devices. These devices will be analyzing and giving the answers like bowls and orange and bananas. This will be there. So that is the output. So this is the way the computer vision will be working like this. Clear, no? Yeah. Now, so this is the way. So that is why I mentioned here. It is similar. The computer vision. The computer will work as like a human. So that is computer vision. It is one of the part in artificial intelligence. So we need record data and analyzing the data and recognizing the image. This is our target. This is our target. Once you are going to create the model means you have to fixing the target. Yeah, the computer will understand Philip in the sense we have to, before that we have to train with the help of my picture. With the help of my picture we have to create the model to understanding about me and recognizing about me. Right? Okay, cool. So next, so this is the way it will be working. So this is the way it will be working. So this is the input. So input means what? So input means it is a digital image or digital videos. So we are going to processing on that particular image with the help of the computer vision. So we having this certain concept. So most probably computer vision, why it is working like this in the sense, we are going to detecting the object. So that is very important. So every target is depending on the object only. So every target, it is depending on the object only. Okay, right. So this is the input image. So input in the sense that is a digital image and that is a digital videos also. Okay. After that model creation with the help of the machine learning and deep learning algorithm, you are going to feeding the new data with the help of the digital image and digital videos or accessing with the help of the sensing devices means that will be receiving with the help of camera. After that sending the signal to the model, that model receiving the information and analyzing the data, then only it will be classifying the image. Clear? So this is the way it will be working like this. Is that clear, guys? So you guys are clear means please comment me in comment box, raise your hands. Thank you guys. Most of the people respond very well. Hope you guys are understand. If you guys are understand means reply me in comment box. Yes, Philip. Yes, Atharva Sinte, Vineet. Yes, it is more encouraging to me. It is more encouraging to me. So I will continue again. Right. So next, application. So applications of computer vision is very important. So in the field of healthcare, in the field of banking, in the field of agriculture, in the field of automotive, in the field of insurance, sports, manufacturing, surveillance, every particular domains, they are using the computer vision. You will be know in future slides. I will be explain one by one. In healthcare, so we can finding the disease with the help of the image classification. Banking, in the sense, we can identify the fake process and automotive. So if you are going to reach us to the speed range, in the sense, it can be possible to recognize. So this is the way the application will be working with the help of the computer vision. Okay, right. So before I'm going to explaining the applications, so we are giving the 1 month internship for computer vision. So I'm going to share some of the information about the internship. The objective of this 30 days masterclass. So the Pantech will make you to create this 7 awesome project. If you learn the particular concept for this particular 30 days masterclass, you will be built and develop the 7 awesome project with me in 30 days. Okay, right. So in this particular internship, if you are joining the particular internship, means you will be get internship certificate and video content, source code, PPTs and assignments. Okay, then what you will get for this particular internship? What you will get for the particular internship means, if you join the internship, means you will be learning activity, 30 days learning activity, and OpenCV concept you will be know, and 7 plus project. So the project title I mentioned here, and also you are getting the materials, all the materials for everyday classes, and recorded videos also you will be get. Okay, if you get a chance to join the internship, means you can join. Okay, right. So what is the benefit? So how to enroll this? So enroll this in the sense, you can use this particular link. It is mentioned in the command box. It is pinned in the command box. If you want to register the internship, means use that particular link. Okay, right. So now the projects included in the internship, that is very important, right? So I will be learn the concept only in this sense. You can learn the concept, and also you will be built and develop the awesome 7 projects. Okay, right. So this is the projects. Face counting and system, the face counting system by using the haircut algorithm, and age and gender detection. This is the one of the project, and hand gesture detection, and multicolor detection, codifying image by using the OpenCV, and barcode and QR code recognition, and Sudoku solver by using the image processing. So this kind of project you will be built once you are learning the concept, means you will be built at the end of the 30 days internship class. Okay, I will be repeat for this particular project: face counting system by using the haircut, next age and gender detection, hand gesture detection and multicolor detection, then codifying image by using the OpenCV, then barcode and QR code recognition, then Sudoku solver by using the image processing. Okay, so these are the project you will be built and develop with me after completing the all the concepts in computer vision. Okay, right. So overall, so we are charged for 30 normally in generally we are charged video content and source code. It is nearly 5,000, and all the projects, for every projects we are charging 3,000. Normally we are charging 6,000, but sometimes we are giving the offers, it is related to the 3,000. So every project having the 3,000 means normally total it is nearly 26,000. Totally it is nearly 26,000, but we are only giving 500 rupees for the internship. 500 rupees for the internship. Normally we charge 26,000, but we are giving only 500 rupees. Okay, so you can join the internship. The register link is pinned in the comment box. Use that particular link and also use the coupon code. The coupon code is OpenCV. Okay, if you are using the coupon code means that prices will be very less. So that will be the offer. So we are giving the 500 rupees for the internship user. Okay, if you are joining the internship user means you can get all the materials and everyday recorded classes and source code and project, this kind of the things you will be get. Okay, so use this registration link, right guys? So now I am going to entering the applications. Okay, so applications of the computer vision, that is very important, right? So applications means, for example, say every target, every applications, the object detection is very important. This is the basement of the computer vision. Why we are using the computer vision for the artificial intelligence technology in this sense? Object detection is very important. That means I can recognize, yes, I can recognize something from the visual world in this sense. First of all, I'm going to recognizing the object. After that only I know that particular person. Am I correct? Am I correct? Hope you guys are understand. Hope you guys are understand. Okay. So if you are going to, do the object detection means, first of all, means for example, you are going to, understand the person recognition in the sense. Initially, you have to find the object or detecting the object. After that only that is human or animal. Which person is this? So that is the different. But basic things is computer vision is that is object detection. See this picture, you can understand easily. Yes, this is the person, this is the person, and this is the person. So that is one of the object, right, in the visual world. It can be possible with the help of the sensing devices. It capturing the devices and sending some useful information to the computer with the help of model creation. After that particular model analyzing and will giving the sum of the information. Yes, it is a person. Yes, it is a kite. Clear? So this is the object detection concept. Okay, right. Now, face detection and face recognition. That is very important. Without model creation, it can't be possible. Yes, it is face. Yes, it is male. Yes, it is female. It is not possible. We have to create, we have to train the machine with the help of the deep learning algorithm. Once you are going to create the model means we need a deep learning algorithm or machine learning algorithm. That is why the computer is expecting the deep learning and machine learning techniques. So the computer is capturing my faces. Okay, I am going to, for example, one example, you are using a mobile phone, right? So everyone is using the smartphone, right? Yeah, that time you are opening the, camera means the one circle will be there, right? Square will be there. When you are showing the faces in front of the camera means that time the square will be there. So that is called the region of interest. That is called the region of interest. The camera will recognizing the face. Detecting the face. It is detecting the face, not recognizing. It is detecting the face. So that is why the circle mark, square mark will be there. So that is the best example, right? Is that clear? So if the face's detection means after that it is going to the recognition process will be there. So that is why we are going to train with the help of some of the things. Okay, right? So next, healthcare. So healthcare means if you are giving the feeding the, by using MRI scan report, in the sense we can find the disease, and with the help of the image segmentation. Okay guys, now anomaly detection. With the help of the sensing devices, some of the different action will be there, different actions will be there for human or continuous process, manufacturing process, mean it can find easily with the help of the model trained. So that is called the anomaly detection. So see this picture, it is a different one, right? So the computer can recognizing that particular thing. It is a different bottle, right? The size and color, it is different when comparatively other things. So that is the anomaly detection, right? So next, agriculture. So once you are going to apply the computer vision to the agriculture, means it will be help to finding the disease for that particular plants, and it will be help to avoid that moving the improvement of the disease. It will be help to reducing on that once you are using the computer vision, in this sense. See this, it will be finding, it will be help to finding this disease, right? So this is the way the computer vision will be working in every domains. Clear? Yeah. Now I am going to enter surveillance. So if you are using the web camera, means that time also it will be surveying, and with the help of the computer vision, recognizing the person, recognizing the object. Yes, it is car. Yes, it is a person. If something will be happened in the anomaly, in the sense, it will be help to help to the police also. That police will finding the thief, that particular person, it will be used to catch the person. Okay, so this is the way the surveilling, the computer visions will be working like this. After that, manufacturing. This is very interesting. So in manufacturing company, so most of the supervisor will be there in every department, right? So now they are implementing the robots. That is working with the help of the computer vision. For example, maybe that surveillance, who are working properly and this kind of things, that is surveillance, and it will be help to the productivity, and it will be help to the accuracy, and it will be help to the safety also. So that particular employee wearing the what is that, cap or safety measurements, they are using that, in the sense the computer will recognize. If it doesn't, means the that robotic will intimate that. So most of the companies, they are replaced the supervisor to the robot. The robot will help when comparatively human. It is up to the accuracy, it is up to the productivity. Okay, is that clear? So it is for manufacturing industry, right? So next, tech in actions. That is very interesting. I will play the video, this one. You can identify easily. See this video. It is much more advanced. See this video. You can see the video, right? Guys, you can see the video, right? So see this one. Who are watching this video, please raise your hands in the comment box. Who are watching this video? Yes, Mr. Peaceful. Very good. Thanks for the good response. Yes. See this particular action. It is in one of the purchasing a shop. Okay. So it is a retail domains. Okay. Right. So these people are buying something for dresses and books, this kind of things. Depending on them particular actions, they will be buying or not. The computer can understand. You can understand easily. So once you are seeing the shirts and buying the, watching the shirts, means the human can recognize that particular person will be buying or not. In the same way, the computer also will solve this particular problems. So depending on the actions, this particular, she is not interested, right? It is recognizing, and she is also not interested. But they will be buying or not, the computer can understand, depending on the actions. Clear? Is that clear, guys? In this clear, right? If you guys are clear, means Reply me, yes Philip. In comment box, yes Philip. Yeah. Now, this is the tech action in airport. See this video, you can understand easily. So in this movement, in this action, so in this particular action, the flight will be landing safely, right? So depending on the action, the computer will understand. So we can understand easily, right? So the computer also can understand with the help of the computer vision. Yes, most of the people answer. Thanks for the good response, guys. Thank you for the good response. Yeah, most of the people answered, and it will be more encouraging to me. Thank you. Right. So now, hope you guys are understanding these concepts. Depending on the actions, it is safe, and depending on this action, they are buying or not. So we can understand easily with the help of the actions because of the computer science. That can be possible. So this is nothing but artificial intelligence. This is nothing but artificial intelligence. Hope you guys are understanding easily. Okay, right. Now I am going to entering the interesting thing. What is that? So the main important and familiar applications in computer vision, that is self-driving car. Everyone knows about this, right? So who are excited this? Self-driving car. The company name is Tesla. They are inventing this. It is superb example for the computer vision. Superb example. Maybe that it will be, best and ever best applications. Right? So most of the people understand about this and know about this, right? Yes, most of the people answered Tesla. Yes. Thanks for the good response, guys. Yes. Now I'm going to play this video. Okay. So before play this video, I should say something about this. This is the best and important example for the computer vision. So multiple sensing devices, using this particular Tesla car. Why? Why means, once I play this video in the sense, you can understand easily. Why? Because multiple sensing devices attached to this and sensors also. For example, the computer and the particular car will have to understand the lane. That is one kind of technology, basic techniques, that is coupling. So you will be learn in future classes. I will be mentioned, right? So I would mention something, right? So coupling techniques. If you are going to, in the road, particular road without driver means that particular car would understand the lane. Then only it will be move safely, right? After that's a signal and finding the object. So this is very important because of the multiple sensing devices is there means it will be possible. So normally the first version of Tesla car, they are collecting the information in different sources. So normally the Tesla car is testing and the data. So it is they are going to collect the data and they are giving the updated versions. Now they are invented one advanced model for the Tesla. How it can be they are making the version another version? Because of they are collecting the data from the user. Because of they are collecting the information from the visual world. Okay, so the multiple sensing devices will help to riding the and moving the car. So without driver, that is not possible to understand the visual world. So we have to understand the visual world means you can drive safely. So in the same way, the computer vision supports very well to the Tesla car. Clear? So now I am going to play this video. You can understand easily. See this video. It started and it will be notify the location. So it will be notify the location. That particular location, just a minute. This particular location, it is some of the algorithm behind work. What is that? It is depending on the machine learning. It is depending on the machine learning. The map, Google Map will be work. It is worked properly. Okay, right. Now I play this video. See how it can be possible to drive this road. It is stopped right now because of the signal. So two process you had seen, right? So the particular car understanding the lane with the help of the cup line detection. After that it is stopped. How it can be possible in the sense the sensing devices capturing the traffic signal. That particular traffic signal having the multicolor detection. If it is green means you can go. You should go. If it is red means you stop the car. So that is the signal to the, the controlling unit. Clear, right? So now I will play this. See here. It is going this way safely. So without help of the human, it will be driving safely. It is detecting the object nearby the car and it will be finding the cuff line. It is following the cuff lines and it will be moved to the proper way. Okay, it will be moved to the proper way. Because of object detection is very necessary and traffic signal detection is very necessary and understanding the visual world is very necessary. So in front of the car, car, one person will be crossed in this and you should stop the car. How it can be possible means because of the sensing devices, it will be sending some information to the controlling unit. That controlling unit will be working like this. Clear? So this is the basic explanation about the self-driving car. It is the basic explanation about the self-driving car. See this. I am going to, move like this. It is automotive car. Self-driving car. So this is the best ever example for computer vision. So mostly the Tesla is getting the information from the user. Without the data, we can't run the world. That is very important. If you guys are, working with, so that is why they hired many people for data science. So machine learning is one of the part of the data science. So this is the thing is very important to understand. You have to connect all the techniques. What is computer vision expecting? Deep learning and machine learning. Why? Because we need to train the machine with the help of some information. Because you need to passing the data. So if you are need to passing the data like digital video or digital images in the sense, which techniques we are going to use? Which techniques we are going to use? If you are going to processing on that particular data, the data is like digital image and digital video in the sense. Which techniques you are going to use? Please reply me in comment box. Which techniques you are going to use processing on the image and processing on the videos, digital image and digital videos. Please reply me in comment box, guys. Which techniques we are going to use? We are going to use the machine learning or computer vision and deep learning. That is very necessary. You are going to create and training the model for this particular data in the sense you have to use the deep learning and computer vision techniques. Clear, guys? I hope you guys are understand very well about introduction about the computer vision. Clear? Yes. Now the installation process. Before entering the installation process, the attendance link. Okay. So attendance link. So during the live, the attendance link will be posted. Okay. So minimum 25 days attendance is necessary and required for participation certificate. So once you completed 25 days, classes in the sense, you will be getting the participation certificate. So during the live session, the attendance link will be posted in the comment box. Okay, guys. So you want to get the certificate means You want to get the certificate means while during the live you will be find the link and follow the procedure. Okay, right. So now installation process. So installation process means first we need for the computer vision, in the sense we need basic source. What is that? Python, of course Python. So the version I am using 3.10. So if you guys are past version, in the sense you can use that, no problem. So maybe I preferred only 3.10.4 because I am using this. So you guys are also installed this version Python software. After that, once you are going to work with computer vision, in the sense you need OpenCV package. You need OpenCV package to install the particular terminal. That is very important. How to install that one? You have you need to understand the you need to follow the procedure pip install Python OpenCV. That is very important. So I will show the procedure here. Open, and ideally you have to open the ideally. So that is not needed. So once you are install the Python software means you have to find the check the version. Okay, so that is why command, open the command box. Okay, then just enter Python. So this will be notify the Python version. Okay, so I suggested you have to install the 3.10.4. okay, so you people interested in to install the 3.7 or 3.9, in the sense that's okay for you. Okay for me also. Okay, right. So how to install? How to install the OpenCV package, in the sense just open, go to the particular directory, Python installed software directory. Just a minute. So this is the procedure for installing the, just a minute, particular directory. Go to that Python installed location directory and move to the scripts. Then click this and enter cmd. So that is command. It will be open. Then follow the procedure pip install Python OpenCV. So this is the procedure to install the package. Okay, this is the procedure to install the package. Once I installed this in, the requirement satisfied already. It will be notified like that. Okay, the requirement already satisfied like that. So if you are not installing, means you have to follow this procedure. Okay, okay guys. Yes, next. Yeah, this is the way to installing the OpenCV package. Okay guys, clear? We need Python software, and also we need to install in the particular terminal and particular path in Python OpenCV. Okay, follow this procedure and install this. So this is the simple procedure to install the OpenCV package. Clear guys? Clear? Yes. So hope you guys are understand about the computer vision and also artificial intelligence. Okay, clear? No, I hope you guys are clear to understand. So if you guys are clear, means raise your hand in the comment box. If you understand, means just comment in the comment box. Just raise your hands in the comment box. Yes, most of the people answer. It is very encouraging. It is very encouraging for me. So most of the people answered and comment very well. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I just stopped today. So this is very enough today. So tomorrow you will be, remaining topic we are going to discuss from day second. Okay, right. Happy learning guys, and good night all. Have a delicious dinner. Good night all. if you have, and one more thing, if you have any queries related to internship means, you can contact this number 8925533488. So if you have any queries related internship, in the sense, you can contact this number 8925533488. Thank you guys. Thanks for your good support. You guys are very encouraging, and it will be more interactive section, and had a good experience with you guys. Thank you. Thank you. I'm expecting this for 30 days. It will be continue, I hope. It will be continue, I hope. So if you have any queries related internship means, 8925533488. This is the mobile number. You have to contact this particular number. Thank you guys. Good night and have delicious dinner. Bye bye. Thanks for the good response, Mr. Prince. Thank you, thank you. Most of the people answered and they're responding very well. That is very encouraging to continue this session. Thank you. Thank you all. Thank you. Thank you guys. We'll see you in next class. Bye bye.